In the beginning, the darkness was deep. The waters were silent, the world fast asleep. Then spoke the Maker with power and light. Let there be morning, let there be night. From dusk to dawn, from sea to sky, He shaped the earth with a mighty cry. Stars were hung and rivers ran, then from the dust He fashioned man. Oh, breath of life, come breathe again. The song of Eden still remains. He carved the mountains, He painted the trees. He told the oceans where they could be. The sun He lit, the moon He cast. The days went by, the work was vast. And on the sixth, His hands reached low to shape a form from the earth below. With breath divine, He gave Him name, and man arose alive with flame. But man alone was not yet whole. So from His side a gift He stole, a woman made to stand beside, bone of His bone, a perfect bride. From dusk to dawn, from sea to sky, He shaped the earth with a mighty cry. Stars were hung and rivers ran, then from the dust He fashioned man. Oh, breath of life, come breathe again. The song of Eden still remains. So let us walk where the rivers run, in the light of the rising sun. For we are made by heaven's hand to tend the earth and love the land. From dusk to dawn, from sea to sky, He shaped the earth with a mighty cry. Stars were hung and rivers ran, then from the dust He fashioned man. Oh, breath of life, come breathe again. The song of Eden still remains.